From 2D to 3D art, lots of things comes into play, and depending on your specialty, you will definitely at one point in time need something to look up to, regardless of what genre of art that you're dealing with. And this boils down to what we have come to know as references. References has been one of the major guides that has helped lots of 2D and 3D artists to create content. And this brings us to what we have today. A huge shout out to Addon for making the big reference database available. This is a compendium of lots of things that you as an artist will definitely need. If you're a 3D or 2D artist and you've always wanted a place where you can get lots and tons of references, then this creator has just made your life a lot easier. So if you would like to get this, you can simply go over to the link in the description. That'll bring you right here where you can grab this reference library. This is the biggest reference library I have ever come to see, and I would explain to you why this is. And once you proceed to download this, you'll be getting these as 3-part files. The very first one deals with animation, which shows you a couple of animation references, some clips, which you'll definitely learn a lot from. And then we have the art of. The art of actually deals with lots of art offs in terms of art of a certain kind of animation, a certain kind of game, stuff like that. You will find a lot of references and guides with that. And finally, we have the one that deals with character design. This is one of the biggest libraries I've seen that is dedicated to both anatomy, clothing, environment, layout, just a whole lot. So if you would like to take a look at this, you can go over to the link in the description and check it. Meanwhile, if you do power up any of these ones, I'm just going to go ahead and open up one of them. So if you open up the character design, you would see what you'll be getting. This is a 4.9 gig of data, which tells you that is a lot, and it is definitely worth it. If you go over to the anatomy section, you'll find lots of anatomical stuff which you might be needing for references, and that doesn't end there. You can also see more anatomy stuff from here. So I don't know how this creator managed to put all these things together and actually made it free. That's the best part. This is totally free. You want some references for the back? Of course, there is a lot. Let's just speed ramp some of these things because there's just so many things happening here. You want some clothes references, you find them there. Some character design references. You're looking for some silhouette design. These are just mad crazy stuff. I'm also going to go ahead and take a look at some environment. They have some environments, some creature poses, some creature designs, some character poses, lots of things. Vehicle designs are here as well. So you want some airplane designs, lots of airplane designs. You'll be able to find references. This is a huge set of references that you're getting. You want to see some pencil tests for some videos. These are GIF files. Of course, you can open these GIF files and see these references. So in case you're making your own animation sketches, you might actually understand how maybe certain lines needs to be formed and how you can stage and post some stuff. And that is super great. In terms of props, there are different kinds of prop designs, from building to engines to food, furniture, machinery, nature, plants, weapons, lots of things. I mean, this is super crazy. And you actually think that this is all you get. No, that is not all you get. You actually get even more. The art of is also another part. The art of deals with art of so many things. Batman Beyond, there's an art for that. You're looking for the Kung Fu Panda trilogy, there is actually an art, so you can see the references that led to the final decision of the animation that you're seeing on your big screen. And you can go through and check out some of these ones. Zootopia looks super nice, and it's just very interesting. One thing which I would always say to creators like this is big ups, thumbs up to you guys for making this possible. And something else which I'll also say to you guys within the community is, as much as this is super free, to actually encourage the creator to push out more content, and for the time that they've put together to give you all of these things for free, try as much as possible to support them. So this is more like it for anyone who is thinking about character design, or maybe you're looking for cloth design, anatomy design, animation references, or you're just looking for references for certain stuff from plants all the way to furniture. Then you might definitely want to come through and check out this and grab them for yourself right now. So tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. Big ups to this creator, a huge shout out to him, and I would like to know what you guys think about it. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.